Picture yourself owning a stationery store with two types of pencil boxes. One that can hold up to 10 pencils and one that can hold up to 50 pencils. Each box has a price, $1 for the small 10 pencil box and $3 for the big 50 pencil box. Now imagine your customer wants to buy 7 pencils. With block pricing, you price the pencil based on the box big enough to hold them all. In this case, the total price for the pencil coat line would be $1 since the 10 pencil box is sufficient for 7 pencils. Block pricing is a strategy where the price per unit decreases as the quantity purchased increases within specified ranges that we call blocks. It's used to incentivize larger purchases by offering better rates for higher quantities. To create a block price, we head to the related section in a product and from there to block pricing, where you will be prompted with the screen to fill the following fields: the price book, the price name, the lower bound, the upper bound, and the price. First, we have the price name, which is a way for administrator to identify a given tire. As a matter of fact, most users won't see the name. For example, our 10 pencils box tire is going to be called the small box, and the 50 pencils box can be called the big box. Then we have the lower bound, which is the lowest quantity that a given tire supports. In our pencil box example, the lower bound for the small 10 pencil box is 1. Next, we have the upper bound, which is the first quantity that the tire doesn't support. If you have been following along, the upper bound in block pricing behaves similarly as upper bound in consumption rates, meaning that the upper bounds are exclusive. For instance, the upper bound for the small pencil box is actually 11, not 10, because the 50 pencil box uses 11 as the lower bound. If the small box had an upper bound of only 10, then there would be a gap between boxes where quantities like 10.25 can slip through. The best practice here is to make the upper bound of a tire the same as the lower bound of the next tire. Then we have the price, which is the value that replaces the price book price. When block pricing is used for a product, the price book price will be ignored. For instance, for our small box, $1 is going to be the price for any quantity within the 10 pencils box. That's it for this lecture, and the next one, we will learn how to set up block pricing and do a use case together. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course in Master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.